Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Excel sheet link. Open the workbook and choose the sheet to share, then use Share or Copy link to create a link immediately. I'll explain differences between OneDrive, SharePoint, and Google Sheets sharing, how to set permissions like View or Edit, and simple ways to shorten or customize links for easy sharing via email, chat, or documents quickly. Learn how to set permissions to control who can view or edit your sheet, and choose between link types like specific people or anyone with the link. I'll explain expiration dates, password protection options where available, and how to check current sharing settings. By the end, you'll know how to prevent accidental edits, revoke access when needed, and make sharing secure and convenient for teams and for everyday use. I'll cover direct sheet links, cell or range links, and how to link to a filtered view or named range. You will learn keyboard and menu shortcuts, use anchor links to jump to sections, and how to capture a link that opens in read-only mode. I'll also show simple URL tweaks to adjust mode or target, and tips to test links across browsers and devices so recipients see the sheet as intended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.